Hey everybody, I just want to have some fun, Let's have some fun, not always talk wise words and philosophy and blah, blah. Let's just have a laugh. Jessica Messica, I love her chats. It's always entertaining, always new subjects, always something, like it's not boring. It's not like food beauty, food beauty, food beauty, sala. No, Jessica Messica, always new stuff going on. Hey, don't you think that Jessica Messica has the laugh of a kookaburra? So listen to her laugh, yeah? Now I have to rely on myself to go to maybe a Turkey Hill or something where I don't like their donuts. I'd rather the donuts at Dunkin' Donuts. And I'm kind of dealing with it, but I really miss Dunkin' Donuts. I go there every day. I get a chicken bacon croissant, or I get some coffee. This is the people in America. Welcome to America. USA is the greatest. That was that terrible accent. I don't even know what that was. No. Dunkin' Donuts reopen soon here in Shamokin. Cheap, classy place to meet up. It's a location where you can meet up with your friends. It's the only thing this town. It's the only thing this town has. He said this is the only thing this town has. Listen. Oh, Lord, yo. I live for shit like this. Oh, wait. Hold on. Oh my god, I'm chasing it, bitch. Oh my god, freezing. Hold on. And a lot of my friends go in there, get that cold coffee. What, iced coffee, I guess it's called? That's right, iced coffee. Like iced tea. People miss their local hangout and hope Dunkin' Donuts reopens soon here in Shamokin. Cheap, classy place to meet up. It's a location where you can meet up with your friends. It's the only thing this town. It's the only thing this town has. He said this is the only thing this town has. What is that laughing point? And now let me bring you to the Kukabara. It's the same. I'm telling you, it's the same. Jessica, you're my Kukabara. Peace.